already got 2 cars in the yard that don't run, so why would I want to break shit down for you? Oh man, that is a throwback. I haven't heard that song in a very long time. But seeing my cars that don't run made me think about it. Oh, excuse me. How y'all doing? Welcome back. I'm about to be late to physical therapy, so yeah, let's get on the bike and rip. Hopefully there is no traffic. Oh, it's a windy day, huh? It's chilly. It's only 58, somewhere in that range. It was like 55 earlier, so with the sun out and the sun going up, I would assume it's probably around the 58, 60. It was supposed to be 70 by 12, and we're about an hour and a half away from that, so. The fall. Oh no, I forgot my windbreaker. You know what? Fuck it. We're just going without it. We're just gonna be a man. Be a cold, chilly man, but we're gonna do it. And yeah, dude, the fall, the trees, everything looks, it's beautiful out, to be honest. It's honestly kind of like perfect weather for everything. I mean, even riding, as long as you have the proper gear on, you're pretty good to go. I don't have winter gloves anymore, so we're wearing the snowboarding gloves today, to be honest. But it is what it is. We got the gloves, we got something to wear. It'll keep my fingers nice and warm on this adventure. So, yeah, unfortunately, I'm stupid. I was in a rush and did not grab my jacket. So, it's what it is. We got the vest on though, so that'll keep the warmth in on the shoulders and my actual chest for the most part. So, yeah, dude. I'm just rambling about gear. It's 61 degrees. That's what the sign just said. 61. Hi. There's so many cars behind me. It's got to be reading weight. Like, there's no way that it's not reading weight from cars. The e-biker actually sounds motorized biker. Brother in Christ, what is happening? Tired of waiting there. I gotta get there. My God, that was not helping me. I got 2 more visits after this one, so 2 more next week, Wednesday and Friday, and then I am done with physical therapy. And I mean, so far it's done wonders. I will say my lower back pain and my like general hip pain, for the most part, is alleviated. I'd say there's still a little bit of a lingering hip pain to a degree, but I don't know, it's different. It feels almost more like in my actual hip, like joint, where like the bone goes into the socket. I don't really know what that's called, but yeah. It is chilly. It's really chilly. I should have went around. I should have turned back and grabbed my jacket, but it's whatever, dude. We gotta get there. I'm just trying to get there early so that I can get it done, over with. Not necessarily early, but on time. You know what I mean? You gotta be at least 5 to 10 minutes early to be on time in my book. If you're not early, you're late. Especially when it comes to doctor's visits, you want to normally, I mean, in my opinion, be there 10 to 15 minutes early, in case there's anything you gotta fucking fill out or do, and blah 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 blah. And then it gives them time to set up if they haven't already. But I mean, for me, it's not really too difficult. They like pull out a heated pad and then I go lay on it for like 10 minutes and just play on my phone. It's pretty chill. I just play like RuneScape or Pokemon Go while I'm chilling. And yeah, it's been a good experience. And then I get like a little massage, and the dude then stretches my hips and my legs, and then I have to do all these like workouts and shit. And I will say it's definitely rebuilding the muscle in my like glutes and such. I don't know what, there's like a few muscles there. He mentioned one specifically that kind of like goes when you end up having a lower back, like a slip disc issue, kind of similar to what I had. So yeah, I don't know, hopefully maybe I end up getting a little taller from this as well, with regaining some of my back straightness. I don't that's not really the right word. I sound stupid saying it like that, but yeah, I don't know necessarily about like the scoliosis and such, and how that's all progressing, but the ones where I did have the bulge and such, he's been checking the alignment of them, and so far, ever since he popped whatever he popped to get me like back in a line, and he continues to do on like I guess once or twice a week, it depends. Normally it's been like a once a week thing. Every Friday he'll have me lay on my side, and then he kind of like stretches my back. I don't know, like he like kind of like almost puts me in a position like he's gonna crack me like a chiropractor would, without actually completing any sort of like cracking, except for that first time when it did pop. So if you're having issues, I would highly suggest going to god damn it, we're gonna be behind this guy the whole way. We're not gonna make it on time. That's unfortunate. We might, I don't know. But I would highly suggest going to your doctor, talking to them about maybe physical therapy or something along those lines, because yeah, it's been working wonders. I mean, obviously I've been taking the steps to, one, just be more physical and be more active over the last like 4 to 5 years now myself, but at like a limited rate, because obviously it was like there's some physical pain. I have a pretty high pain tolerance. I kind of just push through shit because I'm not gonna let it just like stop me from doing what I'm doing, but I feel like that was kind of making it worse potentially. So I would have like spurts of like, I'd get a lot of stuff done for a week or two, and then I'd have to take like a week off because I was in so much pain or so sore. So now that he's done whatever he's done, I've kind of not had that problem with my back and my lower hips and such, and like doing all the car work I've been doing recently seems to have not necessarily been too difficult on my body, especially because like I think I'm paying a little bit more attention to the positions I'm putting myself in, and working slower to put myself into certain positions when they're tight like that, instead of just forcing, because that's something that I used to do. I would move, I'm quick, I'm a speedy little dude. I'm very ADD, ADHD, and like go, get it done, quick, speed, efficiency, fast, now, gah. You know what I mean? That's kind of like my outlook, and it's not really a healthy outlook when you're contorting your body into weird positions, because you can end up throwing shit out of whack and such. So yeah, I'm just glad that I did it and have started taking it a little bit more serious than I already was, because I mean I'd started stretching within the last like 2 years too, I'd say more consistently over the last year and a half, but it was definitely on and off, I'd say, over the last 3 years. But the last year specifically, I mean I stretch 2 to 3 times a week, sometimes daily. I mean, you're supposed to stretch daily. The last month I have been stretching daily with my physical therapy prescribed routine that I'm supposed to be doing. So I guess with that, it's helped immensely. I've also learned some new stretching techniques that I wasn't necessarily applying, and I learned that some of the stuff that I was doing wasn't necessarily good for the specific issue that I had. So I've learned ways to stretch how I like to stretch and how it feels good without causing further issues to my back. So yeah, It's fun. We're chilling now though. I don't know. I've ran out of things to talk about. I'm not sure y'all are here for me talking anyways. Some of y'all might just be here to watch the bike. Maybe you mute the video. I'm kind of close to this truck, but I feel impatient. It's surprisingly nice out. I thought it was colder than it is. Well, let's get it, brothers. There's nobody coming. Oh, it's so fucking slow. I love it though. I love it. I love it so much. It's my baby. It's gonna be my baby forever. Probably not. I don't know. I would enjoy trading in for something, to be completely honest. Maybe grab like an 1100 or some shit. But like, this is my struggle. I'm torn. I want too many bikes. Too many options. Oh, it's windy. Look at this dust. It's brisk. I'm hungry, man. Go home and make some eggs or some shit. I don't know. Shit to say or do or see. Everything has been seen, and I feel like I rambled so much earlier that this video is going to be relatively long, so I apologize for my rambling. I guess it don't really matter. That's the point of making videos. It's either ride or ramble, one or the other, right? Ain't that the point? That's the point of moto vlogging. Yes sir. Oh, we're fucking ripping, dude. But, yeah, man, I will, see you all in the next video. I don't know what we're gonna do. Like I said, I've been riding. I've been ripping. I've been riding a lot. I just haven't had anything to talk about or that I felt worth filming. And now I'm kind of just making a bullshit video to keep the videos going. And I hate doing that. Hopefully the video stabilization is better in this video than it was in the last one. GoPro's tweaking. I don't know what the fuck's wrong with it. But, yeah. Alright, I'm out of here. Peace.